How to hide online status on WhatsApp on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I will guide you on how you can hide your online status, not last seen but online status on WhatsApp on your iPhone. So just make sure to watch this video till the very end. In order to hide your WhatsApp online status on iPhone, it's very simple to do that. First of all, just make sure you have updated the WhatsApp application, and once you have updated it, you want to simply go ahead and launch WhatsApp. And once you launch WhatsApp, obviously you want to come to the settings page from the bottom right. Once you come to the settings page, go to the option called privacy, and once you go to privacy, at the very top you can see the option called last seen and online. All you have to do is just select last seen and online. So first of all, you want to simply set your last seen to nobody, right? So when you set your last seen to nobody, you have the option who can see when I'm online. So either you can select everyone, or either you can select same as last seen. So when you select same as last seen, if your last seen is set to nobody, your online status will also be set to nobody. It is simply that feature that you can customize. Now if you want to set it to my contacts, you can do that, but if you want to set it to nobody, you have to select even online status to nobody. So hopefully this video answered your question as to how you can hide your online status on WhatsApp on iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.